Had this for about 5 months, and that's what happens. This is the 4th time this has happened. I filled this up last night, drained out all over my fridge. So then I get to researching and I find out that you have to pay $6.50 for the returns. So I'm gonna have to wait for a new one. And the reviews also say that they've ordered multiple ones, gotten the returns, and gotten new ones, and they just break after another couple months. So don't buy this item. Trying my best not to cuss, but it's bogus. Don't buy this.
I have already replaced this paper towel, and I had to clean the front because this has gotten completely soaked. You have to like wiggle this just right. You can see that there's a drop coming out right now, and it just drips. And anytime I pour my coffee, it just continues to leak. And I'm probably gonna end up returning it. I don't know if this is a bad one, but I can't have it just leaking all over my fridge. It's not cool. I was really excited for it, but it made great coffee. It did do that, but the leaking is definitely a deal breaker for me.
All the things in there.
So I carefully have been using my strainer, and I just pulled it out and it separated on its own. I was not being rough with it.
Nên xoay thế này. Đó, mà chặt như vậy.